Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a little bit of happy mail. Yay for happy mail. This is from my friend Anna. She is also known as Serenity Creations here on YouTube. Hey girl, thank you so much for sending me some happy mail. She told me she was sending me a little something, so I wanted to open it up on camera and share with you what she sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start pulling. Anna is so super sweet. She was at the Frank Garcia studio, and she said she wanted to get me a paper collection, and she asked me which one I really liked. And there's two new collections. There's this Flirty Fleur, and then there is, I think, a Misty Rose collection. And when she shared this, I said, oh my gosh, if you're gonna get me anything, yes, this one, because it's so fabulous. So let me do a flip through, you guys. Again, this is Flirty Fleur, it's Prima, and it's gorgeous. Let me just take the little sticker off so you guys can see. But look how amazing. I mean, look at the foiling. It's like iridescent foiling on the paper. Isn't that gorgeous? So I cannot wait to play with this. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Anna. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And look, you get several. That's 1, 2, 3 sheets. So you must get 3 sheets of each one. And then look at the cut aparts. There's so many. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Oh, this is so pretty. And I think this would make a really pretty traveler's notebook too, with all the little sayings that are on these cut aparts. Oh my gosh. And I love that you get 3 of each page. Oh gosh, this is perfect. So look at the back side of that. And then again, more iridescent foiling, and it's like these lovely birds. I mean, it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, Anna, I can't believe you got me this collection. You are way too much. Oh my gosh, look at those pretty florals. I just love the teal and black. It's just gorgeous. Yep, see what I'm talking about? This is perfect for a traveler's notebook. Beautiful, get stuff done, notes. And this one says shine bright, sweet and sassy. This is gorgeous. I mean, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So let me keep going. This is just a gorgeous pad. Look at the back of this one. It's really, really pretty. And then this one has the foiling on it, the iridescent foiling. It's just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And this is the next page right here. I like that one. And then look at this one, has the blues, like the teal, the rose. I mean, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It would be really pretty maybe to make some rolled flowers with this, or some type of flower. I don't know. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So that is this paper collection. It's a 12 by 12 and there's 24 sheets. And they're all double-sided. Oh my gosh, love it. Thank you, Anna. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. And then she got the crystals to go with the collection, and look how pretty they just sparkle. They're just amazing. Oh my gosh, yay. I can't wait to play with it. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but oh, you are so sweet. And she sent me this Heidi Swap. It's a stationery kit. Oh my gosh, Anna, this is so cool. Thank you. I don't even know if I can open it, but oh my gosh, there's like confetti and little hearts and stickers. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so I'll have to play with that. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, you are so sweet. And then she sent these flowers, and they go with the collection, the Prima collection. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, see, that's what I was thinking, like layered flowers or something with the paper. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then oh my goodness, here's the note. I'm sorry, Anna. Look how cute. It's a little owl with a tiny little bow. Oh my gosh, let me just read it really quick. Oh, it says, please enjoy your blessing box with Prima goodness. I know you will create something uber cute projects. It says, what does it say? Push the button on the back of the butterfly. Oh, butterfly wand. Okay, that's the wand. There's some wand in here. I haven't got to it yet. Super, super cute card. Thank you, Anna. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me keep going. Oh, this is the wand. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So she said to push the button. Let me see. Wait. Oh, it lights up. Oh my gosh. Wait, does it spin? Wait a minute. No, it doesn't spin, does it? Oh, I don't think so. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at that. Where did you find this? Oh my gosh, that is so precious. Thank you, Anna. How pretty. Oh, even lights up on the outer part. Oh, cool. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's lighting up. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, Anna. How cute is that? How fun. Okay, let's keep going. So she sent the ephemera. Girl, you hooked me up. Oh my gosh. She sent the ephemera, and there's 38 pieces in here, and they're iridescent, and they're gorgeous. Oh my gosh, girl. I cannot believe you sent me all of this goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. And then she sent these chipboard stickers that also go with the collection. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at these. And then look at the back. It says beautiful, our adventure, shopping. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. I love this collection. Anna, thank you so much for sending this to me, and I'm sorry it took me a couple days to open, but I truly appreciate you taking the time to pick this up for me and to share with me. I really appreciate you, girl. You know I heart you. You guys, if you don't know who Anna is, please go show her some love and go sub to her channel. She is an amazing talent here on YouTube. Her channel is Serenity Creations, and I will leave the link in the description box below. So go show her some love. Thank you, Anna girl. Heart you, girl. Big hugs. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.